All right, you talk.
I thought you were gonna do the welcome thing.
I'm Jake. This is Kelly. Welcome. If this is your first time here, thanks for joining us. If you've been here the whole time, welcome back. We're glad to have you.
We are gonna go on some hikes today in Glacier National Park.
Montana, God's country. Join us for a couple hikes and let us know what you think.
Glacier National Park. Can you say hi? Can you cheese? Breathe in the mountain air, baby. Well, I was just like, we're running. We're just running.
I hear her running behind him.
That's so funny. Oh, the cuteness. Whoa. Whoa.
We stopped at Lake McDonald to just get out and walk around. The lake itself is really pretty.
Guess where we are today? Glacier National Park. Check it out. Woo!
It was a little overcast the day that we were there. The view was still stunning. The mountains in the background and just the lake looks so pretty.
After hanging out at Lake McDonald for a little bit, we headed up to our hike for the day. Going to the Sun Road is under construction by Lake McDonald, and boy did that make the drive interesting. Lots of bumps and a whole lot of mud, and we'll come back to that later. Avalanche Lake, here we go. Just the drive on going to the Sun Road for a couple miles and getting out here and seeing the mountains. This is definitely one of the most beautiful places we've ever been. And it was supposed to be rainy and gross, but the sun is out and it's shining. We got the mountains. Oh man, I am in my happy place. This is so great.
The hike up to Avalanche Lake is a pretty decent hike. The boys really enjoyed just kind of running and playing and just rock climbing the whole way up.
You don't know how long it's going to be. Someone coming down said 15 minutes, so hopefully they weren't pulling our chain. Some spots said 5 miles for this hike. Some said closer to 6, so we're not even at the lake yet. But it's a beautiful day.
The view once you get to Avalanche Lake is definitely worth the hike. It was really pretty.
All right, we made it to Avalanche Lake. You coming? Come on. They have plenty of benches here. This is a great spot to sit down and have a lunch and just enjoy the glorious views. We did see a Steller's jay, not to be confused with a blue jay. Very beautiful bird. He got pretty close to us, so it was kind of neat to get him on film. So I feel like we got super lucky with the time of year because we got the awesome colors. We got snow-capped mountains, and we got the waterfalls. October colors, snow, and the sun came out today. Absolutely gorgeous, Avalanche Lake. And now we're gonna head back because it's chilly and our party is tired. People were like, can you see that speck over there? That black speck on the side of the mountain? Yeah, if it moves, it's a bear. People are silly. Yeah, so we're on going to the Sun Road, headed back to Apgar Visitor Center, and it's really bumpy and there are a lot of potholes.
So this truck just came up and it was like a tidal wave of mud over the car. It looked crazy, and my window is open. There's like mud everywhere. I mean, this side of the car was the opposite side, and it's still like I can see all the mud out the rearview mirror, and it's just, or the side mirror, and there's so much mud. It's covered. We're covered.
We'll get a picture of the car from the outside. Okay, Jared and Audra, this was not my fault, okay? I'm sorry. Someone drove through a huge puddle of mud and splashed the entire vehicle, but this was not my fault. We were just on the wrong side of a mud puddle splash. I mean, you know, we can wash it. We'll wash it for you. I'm sorry. So we're back at Lake McDonald near the Apgar Visitor Center, where we were this morning. You can see that it really cleared up and the sun is shining. It's beautiful. Well, that's what the car looks like after today. The next hike we did was 2 days later. So we had to drive further up going to the Sun Road because it finally opened, and bam, construction. Wow. Owen Wilson. Wow. Hey, Luke. Are you ready to go? Are you ready? All right, we're gonna wait for you to catch up, right, Luke? Wait for him. So we picked out a pretty remote lunch spot. This area in here has had some fire damage. Second day in Glacier. The first day we did the Avalanche Lake Trailhead. Now we're gonna go see some waterfalls. I forget the name of this hike, name of the falls. So I will update you on that, but it's a beautiful day in Glacier National Park. Whew. You ready, Elijah?
Yeah.
So we actually did not have bear spray in the park, but I figured we could just outrun these old ladies, so maybe we're okay. Unlike our hike 2 days ago, this hike is just marred by fire damage by the trees, but that allows you to see pretty clearly to all the mountains. So that's pretty cool. So even though you're looking around at the fire, they're like, okay, well, great views. St. Mary's Falls.
It's hard to get over the color of the water here. Just this beautiful, gorgeous, crystal blue color of the water is awesome.
Kid is just on a mission now to walk through puddles. Yep, you got it. Doing so good. Do you need help? Look at you, you're an expert.
So now we're on our way up to Virginia Falls, but there were a number of neat cascading falls along the way.
So we're headed to Virginia Falls. Hopefully we're almost there because Luke's asleep. I'm tired of carrying Elijah. Hold on to the railing, please.
The hike was longer than what we expected it to be, or at least it seemed longer. I think we were all just tired.
Fortunately, on the way back, we got Elijah to do some of his own walking and running, so that was definitely a plus.
So we went all the way up to Virginia Falls. Worth the views. We probably should have packed more snacks, and I think we're out of water too, but otherwise, awesome waterfalls, great hike. Well, I think that's gonna wrap up this video, so we'll see y'all next time. Thanks for hanging out.
Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.